In this question, we're told 354 times 95 is 33,630. So we have to work off that. Now we have to work off 354 times 9.5. Now to do this sort of question, if you look, the first two numbers are exactly the same. The second number is 95 and the second number here is 9.5. Now if you notice that this number is 10 times smaller because the decimal point has moved from here back one place to there. So we have 9.5 here. Let me write this number here, 33,630. Now at the moment the decimal point's there. It's to the right of the unit or the ones column. Now this number we said is 10 times smaller, so we have to move this decimal point back one place. There. So that's our number there. We can remove the 0 and the decimal point. As before, 1, 2, 3, comma. So this is our thousands. So it's 3,363. As before, if you look carefully, you've got 354 and here you have 3,540. So this is 10 times bigger. And the 95s are the same. So our answer is going to be that number but 10 times bigger. So we'll have 33630. And how do you make a whole number 10 times bigger? You add a 0. As before, 1, 2, 3, comma. So this is our thousands. So it's 336,300. Now for the last part of the question, I'm going to rearrange this. So I'm going to write 33,630 divided by 95 equals 354. So all I've done is rearrange this to look like this. Now the question they've given us is 3,363 shared by 95 equals, and we need to find this out. Now what I can do is write this number down. Now we need to put the decimal point in the right place. Now this number is 10 times smaller than the original number. So our answer is going to be 10 times smaller. So how do I make this number 10 times smaller? So the decimal point is there. So all I do is I move it back one place. So if I move the decimal point back one place, it ends up here. So I know 3,363 divided by 95 is 35.4. Now that was difficult, but I'll give you a simple example. 200 divided by 10 equals 20. Now if I had 20 divided by 10, what would my answer be? So I would write this answer down here, and I need to put the decimal in the right place. So what I do is simply look at 200 and compare it to 20. I know 20 is 10 times smaller. So my answer is going to be 10 times smaller. So the decimal point is there. It's going to move back one place. It's going to move there. So 20 divided by 10 is 2.0, which is the same as 2. So you can use this as an example to work out the more complicated one that they gave us.